everyone, welcome back. Today we are starting with the new topic, that is environment. Now, suppose you have to make something on environment or nature, what you will make and how you will make. So, very simple nature drawing. So, let's start. What we'll do is in the center of the page, we will make a line, freehand line in the center of the page is the first step. Okay, now what we'll do is we will create some greenery, just simple greenery, something big, some small, simple greenery. Then we will create some mountains. So we will create some mountains, just a slanting line, again it goes back, slanting line, it goes back. So just simple mountains. We can create some flowers at the bottom side. So it's a very simple drawing for nature, a freehand drawing for nature. We will make two lines, and first what we will do is we will create few flowers and we will create the grass at the bottom. So that's what we will be creating. I am making many flowers. You can make a similar flower also. You can create any number of flowers which with your choice. I am making some leaves of the flowers. And petal shape can be different or similar, your choice. Okay, now what I will do is I will make some grass. So very simple drawing, and we are making the zigzag shape for the grass. So our bottom part is complete. Now what we will do is we'll make a sun. For the sun you can also take a round object. Okay, so I am making a sun and we'll make some triangles to make its rays. Yes, we will be creating the rays, and what we will do is we will create some clouds around. And of course, one thing which we all look forward in the sky is the rainbow. So we will be creating a rainbow. Now here we have a place, we will be creating a rainbow. So we'll create some rainbow. And we will be using different colors for that, the rainbow colors. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and in fact we can make a smaller one, 6. So basically 7 colors of rainbow. So we'll create these lines. Our drawing is done and we'll start the coloring with the oil pastels. Hope you enjoyed making this beautiful nature scene or environment. Do subscribe the channel and share it with your family and friends. Bye everyone. Take care. Stay happy. Stay safe.